What's good, people? Welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing good. So this is now episode number 9 of the portfolio update, and so today again I'll just be going over the portfolio and talk about some of the biggest movers and fallers in my portfolio this week. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I think the biggest mover in my portfolio that I have to talk about is Facebook. As you can see, in the past week, Facebook has gone up 11.32% or $23, which is insane. And I will explain to you why I am up by more than £51 or 36.68%. And the biggest reason is because of the release of Facebook and Instagram shops. Now, for those of you that don't hold Facebook, I haven't read any news regarding Facebook. Basically, what Instagram and Facebook shops will allow users to do is essentially, if you have a small business or if you have any type of business, you can set up a shop on Facebook and essentially allow users to browse through your shop on Facebook. And then, if users want to buy something, they can click on an item in your shop and be redirected to your website. And that's essentially what is driving or putting upward pressure on the stock price. And Facebook are releasing this feature for free. So essentially, any business can now set up a shop on Facebook for free, and this will definitely harm the likes of eBay and other e-commerce shops that do have a fee. And I think in this COVID-19 era, this is definitely a massive play for Facebook. I think they've done a really good job, and the timing of this is perfect. Where many businesses have closed their physical stores, they can now set up a shop on Facebook. And the other reason why this is massive, according to an article by The Motley Fool, since the end of March, there have been 1.7 billion active daily users on Facebook and more than 2.6 billion monthly active users. And then Facebook obviously owns Instagram, WhatsApp, so all three of their platforms combined, there are 2.4 billion daily active users and 3 billion monthly. Facebook has said that they are soon going to roll out these shops feature to WhatsApp and live streams as well. So now you can essentially buy from a live stream, which is insane. When an influencer or whoever, a celebrity or whatever, goes on a live stream and they might promote a product, users can now directly buy from the live stream, which I think is revolutionary. And so yeah, Facebook and Instagram shops is what's putting upward pressure on their stock prices. If I knew about this earlier, I would have definitely bought earlier. That's just my bad luck. I didn't know anything about this, but yeah. The next biggest move in the portfolio has to be Disney. Disney is up by 8% this week, and the funny thing is, I cannot find a single article as to why Disney has gone up. I'm up by £29.60 or 18%. I can't find anything, nothing about parks reopening, nothing about cinemas reopening, nothing, nada. And somehow this stock is up 8%. So I don't know what's, putting upward pressure on the stock price, what's giving into investor confidence, what is boosting their confidence. If anyone does know, please let me know in the comments, because I'm just baffled as to what is going on with Disney and why there's so much confidence behind it. The other big mover is Visa. Now I'm up by 16% with Visa, or £21.89 in the week. Visa isn't up by too much, only 3.69%, but yeah, I'm up by quite a bit. So yeah, that's Visa there. Again, couldn't really find too much news about that. If anyone does know, please let me know in the comments, as I would love to know. Then if we move on to Royal Dutch Shell, now Shell has done quite well over this week, 4.94%. I'm still down by £11.63 or 5.88%. I think this is partly due to the easing of lockdowns and essentially more people using petroleum, using diesel and petrol, which I think is putting upward pressure on their share price. Next we have Realty Income. I'm up by £14 or 5.76%. Realty Income has done all right over the week, up by 4.32%. And I also reinvested that dividend that I got the other week, and I was able to buy 0.015 shares, which is good, which means, compounding and receiving more dividends in the following month. Then if we move on to Nike is up by 7.62% this week. I'm up by 12.81% or £8.74. Then if we move on to Microsoft, I'm up by £20.59 or 15.81%. As you can see, Microsoft hasn't really moved much this week, only up by 0.11%. It's literally gapped up on the Monday. US markets absolutely rallied this week, so and it's since just been trading sideways really. Then we have Medtronic. Again, not too much movement with Medtronic either. It gapped up on the Monday and since then traded basically downwards, to be honest, and hence why I'm down by £1.13 or 1.43%. Next we have MasterCard. MasterCard are up by 5.63% this week, so doing quite well. I'm up by £8.39 or 16.09%. Then we have Legal and General. So Legal and General are up by 2.09% this week. I'm down by £14.28 or 4.98%. Then with Johnson & Johnson. Now Johnson & Johnson is the only stock I believe in my portfolio that is doing badly. They're down this week by 3.99%. I'm still up just because of my low average price, but yeah, I'm quite surprised, to be honest. I don't really know why they're doing badly, considering they are a healthcare company. They're obviously researching about this COVID-19, and they must be doing research and developing and trying to develop a vaccine. So yeah, I'm not really too sure as to why they're doing that badly. The S&P 500 ETF up by 3.29%. I'm up by £11.62 or 10.7%. So yeah, as you can see, this kind of represents the S&P 500 and how it's done quite well. But as you can see, literally we just gapped up on the Monday, and since then really just been trading sideways, haven't made too many movements. Then we have Barrett Developments. They're up by 3.15%. I'm up by £5.27 or 5.64%. Then we have AT&T. AT&T have actually done quite well this week, up by 5.55%. I'm up by £3.93 or 3.31%. Then we have Apple. Again, Apple are doing amazing this week. I'm up by £24.07 or 22.52%. They are not far off. They are not far off their highs. As you can see, they hit their 52-week high on the 13th of Feb at around $324. So yeah, they are very close. If they do hit that, I have a feeling they'll go higher. They're doing very well this week, up by 3.61%. Another big mover in the portfolio is American Express, up by 8.68%, and I am up by £20.82 or 7.63%. Then we have Google. Google also has done very well for me, up by 2.88% on the week. So Google hasn't done too well this week. It's not up massively like Facebook or Apple or American Express, but I am up by 20.92% or £40.18, which is decent, which is a decent return. Then we have Airbus. Airbus is up by 9.81% this week. I'm still down by £3.78 or 1.91%. But yeah, again, I'm not too sure why Airbus is up. Couldn't really find too much news about it. Then we have AMD. AMD is up by 1.75% on the week. I'm up by £36.18 or 24.93%. I have read some news, or leaks rather, that AMD is gonna be refreshing its Ryzen GPUs, and apparently Nvidia is also doing the same. So that could have had some upward pressure on the share price. I'm not too sure, but yeah, again, it's just leaks, nothing's confirmed. But yeah, apparently they are releasing their new GPUs soon. And yeah, that is it for the portfolio. As you guys can see, we are up by quite a bit, 9.76% or £274.86 unrealized gain, which I can't complain. I am happy about. I've still got £123 of free funds, which I do want to invest. I also will be adding some more capital next week and making some new investments. In terms of stocks that are on my watch list, these are the stocks. They're just stuff that I am watching, and Qualcomm is definitely one that I am looking to buy if it hits the right price for me. And yeah, that is it for the portfolio update. I know I haven't spoken too much. It's just a brief sort of update. Apologies for that. I know it's kind of a quick video, but I hope you guys did enjoy. Find it useful, find it somewhat informative. And yeah, thank you all for watching the video. Please do like, comment, subscribe. Again, thanks to all the new subscribers for watching. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.